Hi guys, my name is Jaden. Welcome to my channel once again. I wish you guys a happy new year. Welcome to year 2022. Right, and guess what? Crypto.com just sent us a few ang paos, all ready for Chinese New Year. Okay, maybe I'll just unbox the ang pao here so that you guys can see. I'm sure if you guys are using Crypto.com, I'm sure they would have already sent you guys the ang pao. And I think it's quite amazing. I think we all received at the same time. So I was quite surprised that I got a package when I reached home. So it looks something like that. It's quite pretty. There's a tiger face on it, and this year is the year of tiger. So may all of you roar like a tiger. Yeah. Alright, it's quite nice. Let's see. Oh, okay. There is okay. They are really good at their marketing. Alright, and guess what? Fortune favors the brave. Alright, and you have the QR code to, I think, scan and sign up for Crypto.com. So this is what Crypto.com is doing as part of their marketing gimmick, and I think it's quite nice. The ang pao is looking very slick, and you have a total of, wow, you have a lot. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have received a total of 20 ang pao. So I have 2 bags over here, so that is 10 each, and therefore you have about 20 ang paos. Alright, so that's it for today's surprise. What I'm going to talk about today is how to top up your Crypto.com Visa card. After I posted my unboxing video of Crypto.com Visa card, I received a lot of requests, especially on Facebook, for me to actually do a video on it. So here is the video just for you. The topping up of your Crypto.com Visa card is actually quite simple, although there are a lot of steps that you need to take to top it up. But of course, just every time when you top up, go through the various steps, okay, you might be able to secure more cashback in that sense. And this video, I'm going to explain how you are going to do just that. Alright, so in order to understand how the Crypto.com Visa card works, okay, it is not a credit card, neither is it a debit card. Okay, I stand corrected. It should actually be considered as a cash card, because a credit card means you're paying from your credit limits. Debit card means you are connecting your card to a bank account. But a cash card essentially just means that you are topping cash into the card, like a top-up value, so that with that value in your card, you are able to use it. Alright, so for Crypto.com Visa card, it's a cash card. Alright, and I'm going to introduce to you 3 more cards that I think you'll benefit from it, and it is used for topping up your Crypto.com Visa card. So here you go. Step 1, what you want to do is to actually apply for an Amex card. Okay, there are 2 Amex cards that I think you'll be very interested in. One is of course the American Express Amex True Cashback card. Okay, that one gives you 1.5% cashback on anything. Okay, insurance, even topping up your Grab wallet. Okay, and this is why we want to apply for an Amex card for this particular purpose. Okay, if you have a Royal Indigo card, that gives you 3%, but having this Amex card, you are essentially doubling your cashback to 6% in totality. Okay, later I'm going to do the math for you and explain it. Okay, a second card that you can apply for, so either you apply for the Amex American Express Amex True Cashback card, or you apply for the UOB Absolute Cashback card, which is also powered by Amex, and that gives you 1.7%. So the difference, one is 1.5%, one is 1.7%. Okay, just go online. I'll put the link in my description box below. Okay, you are able to compare the 2 different cards. Essentially, they are the same. Okay, they provide true cashback. That means not restricted to any category spend. You don't have to go and figure out, okay, whether insurance you will receive cashback, whether topping up your Grab wallet you receive cashback or not. Okay, nothing of that sort. Okay, if you were to use those cards to top up your Grab wallet, you will have earned 1.5 or 1.7%. Okay, and that brings me to my next point. You need a Grab wallet account. Okay, if you guys have not used Grab at all or don't know what is Grab wallet, essentially all these financial technology company, they all have their own set of wallets that you can top up either from your bank account or from credit card. So what you want to do is with your Amex credit card, you would want to top up your Grab wallet. Okay, and how you top up your Grab wallet is simple, just by clicking the top up button in your Grab account. Okay, and then choose top up by credit card, and then just enter your Amex credit card. Okay, then you will see your GrabPay wallet having the amount that you have top up. Next, you want to have your GrabPay card. Okay, what is this card? This card is essentially another cash card in itself, just like the Cryptocom Visa card. Okay, why do you need this? Later I'll explain to you. But essentially, if you do not have a GrabPay card already, please go and sign it up. It's in the app. It's quite intuitive. Go and sign it up. It's very fast. You'll get your virtual card in no time. Okay, and what you will need to do, once you receive the GrabPay card, you would have your card details. That means your 16-digit card number, your expiry date, and your CVV. All right. And with that, okay, what you want to do, and that brings me to my next step 3, which is to have a Revolut account. I will link my description and my referral code below to sign up for the Revolut account. So Revolut account is the same as the Grab wallet. Essentially, in Revolut, you also have your wallet and as well as a Revolut card. So if you do not know already, Revolut actually helps you to do overseas purchase. Let's say you are going overseas, but truth be told, I suppose 99% of us have not gone overseas for the past 2 years, so Revolut is like redundant. Alright, but go apply for Revolut. It will be useful for topping up your Cryptocom Visa card. Alright, go sign up for Revolut. Essentially, what you want to do is in Revolut, okay, go to accounts. What you want to do is to top up your account. Okay, so top up via your Grab card, your GrabPay card. Okay, use your GrabPay card details to top up your Revolut account. Okay, once you have top up, okay, you should sign up for your Revolut virtual card. Okay, essentially it's the same as your GrabPay card, just that now it's a Revolut card in itself. Alright, just apply for the card. I think it's instantaneous. You'll get your virtual card in no time. Okay, likewise, your virtual card also have your 16-digit, your expiry date, and your CVV. Alright, now here comes the last step. With the Revolut virtual card, okay, what you want to do is go to your Cryptocom app. Under the cards tab, you will click top up, and then you will click via credit card. And in this step, what you want to do is to insert your Revolut virtual card details in it, and then voila, you will have top up your Crypto.com Visa card. Alright, so the step is very simple. Step 1, apply for Amex card that gives you 1.5% or 1.7% cashback. Step 2, apply for a GrabPay wallet and a GrabPay card. Step 3, apply for a Revolut account and a Revolut virtual card. Step 4, within your Crypto.com app itself, go to card step and top up using your Revolut card. Alright, so the transfer of funds is simple from your Amex card to your GrabPay, to your Revolut, and to your Crypto.com Visa card. Alright, it's so simple, although it takes a lot of steps for every top up, but I think it is worth it. Alright, so let me do the math for you and on how you can earn cashback. Let me take an example of the American Express Amex True Cashback card, right? For the first $5,000 within the first 6 months of your cards being registered, you are entitled to 3% unlimited cashback. Alright, so that means if right now you were to top up $5,000 into your Grab and therefore go through Revolut and into your Crypto.com Visa card, you would have already earned 3% on your $5,000. Alright, and if you use your Crypto.com Visa card for assuming you have your Royal Indigo card, every purchase you would have spent and earned 3% cashback. Alright, so net, how much cashback are you earning? You're earning 6% cashback on the first $5,000 that Amex is giving you, right? And of course, past the $5,000, you will get your standard 1.5% cashback. So essentially, after the $5,000 mark, you are getting 4.5% cashback on every purchase, every spend that you do on your Crypto.com Visa card. And that is so powerful because you get your cashback instantly for your Crypto.com Visa card cashback, alright, and you get 4.5% with very few restriction. Of course, Amex card has no restriction, but Crypto.com Visa card has a few merchant code that is restricted. That means if you were to pay your taxes, if you were to pay any government bills like your HDB season parking, so on and so forth, or insurance, those are not entitled for cashback. If not, anything that you spend, you go to McDonald's, you take MRT bus ride, you go for dining, you pay your hotel staycay bills and all, so on and so forth, you get instant cashback. Alright, if you can see from my app over here, yesterday I spent on Shopee and I get instant cashback. Alright, so it's so good. Okay, go and sign up for Crypto.com Visa card if you do not have, and then follow my steps, go and sign up for all the cards, and then step by step you'll be able to top up your Crypto.com Visa card and start earning cashback. Alright, with that, I'll see you in my next video. I will explain, I will show you, I will give a review on my use on the Crypto.com Visa card and how it has been for me. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe and like my video, and do comment down below if you want me to show or explain any other things crypto or investment related. Alright, and do please share the video to your friends who will be interested in it. Alright, so thank you, signing off.